Hey y'all, it's Bear. Look here, Canteen Cup Tuesday time, and this week I've got an appetizer for you. Okay, we're going to do egg drop soup. So I got a pack of egg drop soup. These are like $2.09 at my grocery store. I've got an egg, and to ramp this guy up a little bit, I've got a mushroom, some green onion, some soy sauce. Let's cook. We're going to do it on the GI stove with some Esbit cubes today. So we're going to drop to the ground. Got random wood debris in there. Alright, I'm going to use half this package, and what I do at home is I'll take one of these and I'll weigh out half a package. If I have something like this on a split, and I'll put it in a sandwich baggie. Today I just got it in a little Ziploc container. My little Coleman cup here, it's got measurements by the quarter cup up to a cup and a half. So I need 1 1/4 cups of water. Alright, simple instructions. Put your water in, bring it to a boil with your soup mix. Scramble an egg, slowly pour it in while it's boiling, stirring in one direction. That's it. Let's see, this is going to happen really fast once we get this going, so I'm going to get a head start on one scrambled egg. This is not the easiest little container to scramble an egg. There we go. Cleared ourselves off a spot on the ground. Put down some aluminum foil to make cleanup easy and protect things. Oops. Oh, there she goes. She's lighting. Gave my soup base a good stir. Nice thin slices. I don't know if this is right or not, but I'm going to put my mushrooms in while the water's coming to a boil so they can get a little cook. Alright, Gummy Bear is going to come around and drop the white parts of our green onions in.
The white parts, what does that mean? All those?
Yep.
Just...
There you go. Use your hand and brush them in there. There you go. Camp cook. You're camp cooking. Hand's a utensil. Alright, do you want to stir or do you want to slowly pour?
Slowly pour.
Slowly pour? Alright, come over here where I am. And just using this as a pour corner, you're going to slowly pour while I stir it in to the broth, okay?
Okay.
It's okay. Sometimes little clumps come out, and especially since I don't have it scrambled but so good. All right.
Is it done?
Just about. Here.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Would you like a little?
Yes.
If you have a good boil going, the egg cooks almost immediately as it's dropping in. Alright, let's serve it up. I brought one of my GSI bowls for Gummy Bear in case she decided she wants some. And she does. Even though she's not a fan of mushrooms, she's going to give it a try. Do you want a green onion on yours? I didn't think so. I get the green onion.
You're like, yes, victory.
All right, there we go. Let's eat. Alright, what did we cook here? It's okay. Well, also, mine's going to cool faster. So double check yours, because yours is smaller and deeper, so it's going to stay warm. There you go. You want to switch bowls? Here.
No.
Here, take this bowl. Although I've got the green onions on mine. You don't care. Good? Is it like in the Chinese restaurants?
In Chinese restaurants don't have green onions or mushrooms. It's just eggs and water.
Most of the time, that's true. They have the green onions on the side you can put in them. Do you think it needs soy sauce, or you like it just like that?
That's good.
Just like that?
Green onions are good.
They are good. Alright, so there y'all have it. There's our appetizer for our camp meal. And we'll see you on the trail.